dying, cut down by the questions that we sharpen just to save our losing days. We thought with nothing more to lose, we tear our hearts with jagged truths, and everything we'd clung to for so long just